Well, good morning. You can see we're all getting ready, checking the fluids. Want to thank the Holiday Inn Express and Suite in McKinney, Texas. They allowed me to park the car up by the front door so that we wouldn't have any troubles. We did have a nail in the tire, so we swapped this one out for the moment. We got to go get the other one repaired. I've got a kit to do it, and we'll probably do it. But as you can see, we're loaded down. Time to get going. We're actually kind of running behind today, so y'all have a good one, and remember, just drive it. Sorry we didn't work. Not a problem.
But it's good to try.